Alright, hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in for another one. This is an unboxing of the TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. So let's check the box out here. It's an AMD motherboard, AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready, socket AM4 X570, AMD Crossfire technology, DTS custom, headphones, gaming, HDMI, and PCIe 4.0 ready. Got this from Micro Center for $190. This is the Asus TUF Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. Check the side out here. We got some stuff down here. And then there are some numbers on the front side. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show or not. So let's crack it open. And this is what it looks like when you open the box up. Okay, let's first check this side out. Let's first take the motherboard out. Okay. Alright. Okay. First time picking up a motherboard. Heavier than what I expected. Let's check this stuff out here first. Alright, yeah, this one comes with Wi-Fi. Gotta keep it in the screen here. Antennas. Okay. Then you got something over here on this side. If I can lift it up. Alright, so you got the user guide here. Not too bad. Looks like there's some coupon codes and stuff. We got some stickers. We got that. Under here, there's certificate of reliability. Got some more stuff down here, technical support, contact information, update notices. Alright, let's check this other side out here. Flip this up, and this is the I/O shield, I believe that's what it's called, from what I've seen on YouTube videos. Other people's YouTube videos. Some screws. I believe these are the motherboard stands, and then this is SATA cables, I think. Alright, that's everything. Oh wait, I didn't look at the motherboard. Kind of nervous to pull it out the bag. Not really ready to put it together yet. This is an unboxing. I just don't have a stand for the camera. Give me a sec. Alright, I got it out the bag now. I got the stickers right there. There's some numbers there. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show or not, but here we go. This is the board. Looks pretty cool. Heavier than what I thought it was gonna be. Put it around here. I put the gloves on. I don't want to take no chances. My first PC. First time building a PC, so I spent a lot of money on all this stuff, even though this isn't like the best board or whatever, but it was a lot to me. These are all your connections. It looks pretty cool. I like the yellow. I like the yellow on it. This is cool right there, whatever that is. I will be putting a PC together, so I will be just getting familiar with all this, but this is the Asus TUF Gaming X-570 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. Got this from Micro Center. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time.